Discover WeatherTech's versatile fridge mat for all your kitchen needs. Let's take a closer look. This multi-purpose silicone tray can be used inside or outside your refrigerator to help organize everyday items like fresh produce, cans, and bottles. FridgeMat is crafted from FDA-approved silicone for safe use with food, so you can place food directly on the mat. With its 8 by 13-inch size, FridgeMat is perfect for thawing meat, using as a microwave tray, or even as a kid's snack tray. Your fridge mat comes in a translucent color that allows light to pass through when placed in your fridge, so it will never block your view. Additionally, its stain-resistant properties will ensure it retains its translucent appearance over time. This mat's ribbed design keeps food and other items elevated above the mess, allowing it to puddle below. Cleaning your fridge mat is hassle-free. You can either hand wash it with mild dish detergent or conveniently place it in the dishwasher on a regular cycle. Each fridge mat is sold individually and is proudly designed, engineered, and manufactured in America by WeatherTech.